Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I put together this gold eye and this like pink lip. I don't know, I'm feeling it. I feel cute. But before we get into the video, pause this and follow me on Instagram. It's at TamekaTS, not Tameka for those of you who think you're funny. Nikki. And if you want to see how I put this all together, just keep on watching. Did you follow my Instagram? Okay. So nothing new here. I'm just priming with my Too Faced HangoverRX Primer. Now I'm just taking a few pumps of my Nars foundation,
A few moments later.
I'm just taking a few pumps of my Nars foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dab that all over my face and then blend it out with a beauty blender. Taking the butt of my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna start blending that in. I'm just taking my Nars concealers and I'm gonna highlight and contour. And now with my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend out my contour and, you know, let the highlight and concealer sit a little longer. I'm feeling super sluggish. I look like a worm. And whatever is left from that highlighting concealer, I'm just bringing onto my eyelid to prime my lids for eyeshadow. I just set under my eyes with my Mercier translucent powder. And I'm also going to set some other parts of my face. Since I'm going out tonight, I do have to look pretty snatched. So that's why I'm going a little bit extra with like sort of contouring my nose. I actually look sick right now, but it's okay. And now with a Morphe Y9 brush, I'm just dipping into my Kevin Aucoin sculpting powder in deep, and I'm gonna contour my face. Do you ever feel so tired that you just don't even know what you're doing? Trying to keep my off-the-shoulder shirt off my shoulders. And now, the usual, we're just gonna dust into our Sephora Microsmooth foundation with my fluffy brush. And I'm gonna start packing that in while I dust off the translucent powder. And now going in with the blush from my Huda Beauty 3D Lights. I don't even know what I'm saying. My Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I'm going in with the Zanzibar blush and just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to be going in with my Precisely My Brow Pencil, my Gimmie Brow by Benefit, in the shades number 4 and 5. So I already primed my eyelids with concealer and then set it with translucent powder. So I'm gonna be going into, are you ready? This shade, did it. This shade right here, and I don't have a mirror. And I'm gonna be putting that all over the crease as my transition shade. And now I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that lower, a little lower into the crease, adding a little definition. And I'm using, for that first transition shade, I use my Sigma E40. I like use this every day and I can never remember. And this is my Sephora tapered or featherweight crease, number 38. So yeah, with that brown color. In with that original Sigma brush, I'm just gonna blend these two together. I know sometimes it seems like I'm not even adding any color, but you just want everything to like blend out, and it's easy to go back when you're layering things like little by little, rather than just like throwing in a dark shade and then being stuck with that. Now with the Sigma E25 brush, I'm just gonna be going into this shade right here. I feel so like talented today. And I'm just coating the brush up quite a bit, tapping off the excess. I just kind of realized I'm sort of off center. Oh well. So now with that reddish brown, I'm just putting that into the outer V and halfway sort of into the crease, keeping it a little lower. And I'm gonna go in with, one second, this gold shade right here. And I'm gonna just dampen my brush with some Fix Plus. I said like 2 videos ago that it was almost empty, and it still is. I just try super hard not to use it. A bitch is broke, okay? So now dipping into that gold, I'm going to pack that onto my lid. And I'm gonna take my Sigma brush and just, I don't know. Sometimes I just do things I don't think there's a point in them. I'm just dipping into the brownish red shade with this Morphe Y22, and I'm gonna blend that under, like, on my lower lash line. And now with my Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, I'm going to be dipping into Daydream, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner under my brow, and my inner corner under my brow. Okay, now I'm going to set my face using my Urban Decay All-Nighter, which is also almost empty, which fucking sucks. And now with my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, I'm going to be going into, oh my god, I'm going to be going into Glow Getter. And to highlight, I'm just using a Morphe Y14 brush. I got a little carried away. With my Ugly Half Red by MAC, I'm going to line my lips. I'm taking this Dior lipstick in the shade Underground and just... This is the finished look. I actually feel hella cute, or whatever. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you'd like to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'll see you guys later.